Are you ready to embark on an unforgettable journey around the globe? Welcome to Traveler Madison, your ultimate gateway to exploring the world's wonders. Hi, I'm Madison, and I believe that travel isn't just about the destinations. It's about the stories, the adventures, and the memories we create along the way. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or dreaming of your first trip, our channel is your go-to guide for everything travel-related. Dive deep into the heart of the places you visit with insider tips, hidden gems, and must-see spots that go beyond the guidebook. From mastering the art of packing to uncovering the best local eateries, we've got you covered. But that's not all. Join us as we embrace new cultures, meet incredible people, and taste the flavors that make each destination unique. Our journey is about connecting, learning, and sharing these experiences with you. So are you ready to take a leap and explore the world with us? Subscribe to Traveler Madison and hit the bell icon to never miss an adventure. Together, let's make travel more than just a journey. Let's make it a lifelong passion. This is Traveler Madison, where every journey tells a story and every story inspires a new journey. Let the adventure begin.